No, don't film me. Juicy bacon. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be a driver home day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. I am doing great, thank you. We are coming to the end of our camping vlog. Oh my god, I didn't know I did a lot of filming. It didn't look like I was doing a lot of filming, to be honest with you, because there was so many things we did that I couldn't take the camera to film. But editing these videos have made me realize that although I thought I didn't take a lot of videos, I actually did quite well. To allow him to just me. Goodbye, Compass.
I am on the shelf behind you, please. Like behind you.
We're going. This is where we're set up. Now we packed everything and make sure there's no rubbish, no litter. You have to keep the place tidy for the next person or the next family or people to come and use the place. The place is tidy. Nice. For the next guys on the shelf behind me. Saying we will say bye-bye to our neighbors. We are off. It was lovely.
No space for these car cloths.
It's lovely spending time here. Our time is up. And that's the June over there. Hey, how do you feel? How do you feel going back? I didn't ask you. Oh, everyone feels sad. We wish we could have 2 more nights. We wish we could add 2 more nights to our days, but we've got other things. So, we call it a bye-bye. This is where the Sun June was. All the side are dunes. If you climb up there, go in. Do you want to say bye-bye to the camera? Hey? Mister? Not in the mood for fun right now. Yeah, we just finished packing. Packing was exhausting. You would never know how much things you pack until you start unpack. You pack until you start packing them back in.
They think they can just look, Emerald. Look
Again.
Look what he's done. He's installed virus on my phone. What game even is this?
Bye-bye, Shoal Island.
I don't even like it.
Can you see the game? Can you see the castle at the corner, right corner over there?
That's a virus.
Over there, the tiny thing over there. The end of the mountain. That's the castle.
I'll have to delete all my data.
Uh-oh, it's not showing me. Over there, right there, over there, that corner. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Shell Island.
Those guys on dirt bikes. Come on, you should film them.
Guys, so the other day we couldn't come down here to swim, the second waterfall to swim, because we went for the hiking and we swam at the top as well, and everyone was exhausted, to be honest, and there wasn't enough time to do the second swim or come here to jump. So today, on our way home, we decided to have a little bit of an adventure, come and do the jumping. And they've done that before. They've jumped in before several times. Like I told you, we've been here a couple of times before, not this trip but other trips years ago. So we know how deep the hole is and it's safe to jump in. I stayed with the baby at the bottom, and they went over to the other side to do their jump. We're moving to that side. We're trying to go over and move to the other side, inside, not just there, inside. And we are staying here. I can't go because I'm with the baba. I'm with the little baba. Look where they are now, can you see? So we are going to go in to that valley or hole, and there's another waterfall coming through there. Can you see him? Can you see the kid's dad? Can you see him? Over there. Can you see? And he's trying to jump in the water. Look, he's done it. He's jumped all the way from there into the water. But it's safe there because there's a big deep hole, so you can jump in. Look, you're going to do it again. Some other kids as well. Let me see. Let me see where they are up there. That's my finger. Over there. No, over there. Can you see? Over there. Yes. Let me see. Rita's going to jump in. Did you see? Did you see her jump? She jumped in. I missed his jump. My other daughter also jumped from the shallow part. I mean, not further away from the high jump. That boy is also going to jump. Everyone is watching. That's my daughter in blue. Going back again. I don't know if they're going back again. I think so. I'm waiting for the boy to jump. Yeah, look, she's going with the dad again. We are so stuck here. I think they're anywhere. Just here. And they are over there. A child is stuck up there and he's trying to help. He's trying to help her out. Well, in the end, the boy in the white jumped in. I think this is his first time of jumping in. I will only have to zoom because so you can see what's happening. The girl is stuck. The girl in the orange or mustard color is stuck. I think this is her first time of jumping in. And the boy in the white, who was stuck for a while, he's come back. So I think he liked the first jump. He's come back for the second jump. And my children's dad are also there. Is also there. One of my daughters is also followed. So they all have to jump in before she jumps in because she's behind everyone. Let's see how the little girl jumps in. Because there's no way, once you come to that rock, there's no way you can go back. There's no way coming back. The only way is to jump in. That's the only way out. So, well, she's trying. I need more encouragement from my kid's dad. Let's see what he's doing. He's jumped in. And maybe he's encouraging her to do the same. That's my daughter in blue. In the blue costume. Behind them. Waiting to jump into. Seems my daughter can't wait any longer and he's going to jump in from where she's standing. I've told her not to. She's done that once, but I didn't get the footage. I don't want her to do it again. I know she's brave, but everyone is encouraging. Oops! Well, it looks like she wants to jump in. She's in a hurry to jump in. I hope she tries to encourage the little girl. Yeah, she is trying to. Oh, they're holding hands. Oh, that's so sweet. They're holding hands. Ready? Okay, let's see when she's ready. What? She tricked her. Oh, well, she did it. Well done. And she's going. She's gone. I can't believe my daughter tricked the girl. I thought they were holding hands so they can jump together. Well, I don't know the conversation that went between the two of them. Maybe she said, let me hold your hand to help jumping. Maybe. Or maybe she said, let's jump in together. I'll ask her after. But, do you remember the girl, the boy in the white top? Oh my God, did you just see that? Even higher from where they are. The guy, the boy in the white, he was like stuck in for a while. Now this is a second jump. I think once you go for the first one, yeah, the second one becomes easier. I can see my little daughter trying to jump in from the other side. Let's see. My daughter is going back again. Look in the roots. She's going back again. only. She's really enjoying it. My daughter is back there again. Over there. Waiting for the other lady. I think that lady is today will be her. Might be his. I think today might be her first time of jumping. Taking her a while to jump. Oh gosh, my daughter is impatient. She just wants to jump. Hi guys, if you're still watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And also please turn on your notification button. It will remind you whenever I post a video. I can see them coming. I think they've had enough now. Today is our last day. We're leaving. We decided to pass by before we go. Say bye-bye to the waterfalls. They're coming. Okay, so my daughter have no choice than to jump without the lady over there. We're going. Which way is she going? Whoa. Which way is she going? She's going to jump from somewhere else, it looks like. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm missing a bit more. Oh, she's going to jump from the same place. Wait, she's gone. That lady's still stuck there. Good luck to her. She will jump, definitely jump. The boys behind can do it because they've done it countless times. Okay, my daughter's coming out of the water. There's the other one coming. She jumped in before I took a picture. I didn't get a footage.